everyone, my name is Sophie Jaffe and I am sharing one of my favorite products today, Liquid IV. 3 in 4 people are chronically dehydrated. Liquid IV helps keep you hydrated for longer. It's so easy to throw in your purse, on the go, and it just delivers so much more hydration than just normal water. The one thing that we always want to make sure for the kids, for myself, is just stay hydrated. I always make sure to include these Liquid IV packets in the kids' lunches, especially in their water bottles. They have half the calories and half the sugar of your normal sports drink. However, 3 times the amount of electrolytes. Adding 1 stick of the Liquid IV to your 16-ounce bottle of water is the equivalent to drinking 2 to 3 regular bottles of water. It's super important as an entrepreneur and mom of 3 to have lots of mental clarity. Being hydrated really helps with mental clarity and focus. I love that Liquid IV is non-GMO, it's vegan, it's made with the cleanest ingredients, and all ingredients are sourced right here in the USA. When we're traveling as a family and we're not here in LA, it's really important to us to arrive feeling fresh and refreshed and rejuvenated. And the only way to really do that is to stay hydrated before, during, and after travel. So Liquid IV is your best friend.